So, if you're not currently doing this and you want to do this, you're currently on our team. Just reach out to your account manager, and we'll help you get started on that. I mean, you guys would have to do the background checks and stuff like that. We can't do that for you, but we can help be the liaison, right, between you and Google, and just make sure you're getting everything covered. But you can go ahead and start working on the background checks. Get your tracking in place. And then once you get it set up, Google likes to see people actively, the way it works is you can, somebody calls in, if you book an appointment, you can, in the dashboard, you can drag it over and say appointment book. Google will tend to show you in that 3-pack more the more active. If they see you're actively using it and you're willing to, to spend money and pay for leads, they're going to show you more love, basically. So keep that in mind if you're not currently doing it. I'd recommend doing it. It's just another lead avenue for you guys to use just to ramp up your revenue in 2020. So just to circle back on this, I mean, I think the biggest thing is just to have an all-in approach and be hitting this from all angles. I think this is a must, and it's not, because especially in our industry, it seems like there's never just the same amount of leads month over month, right? Because plumbers might be hooking you up like crazy one month, and then they don't send you anything, right? Same with insurance agencies or property management companies. Well, it's the same. It's like that online too, right? There's always fluctuations, like the weather patterns, time of year affects our industry big time, right? So that's why you want all these channels set up to where if one dips, you're covered, right? It's just, it's more irons in the fire, for lack of a better word. So I definitely recommend you guys think about this in 2020. And, if you're already doing it, think of ways you can improve it. If you're not doing it, then think, go out here and, go out there and implement it yourself, or, reach out to us or some other company. Just get somebody working on this for you ASAP. And I just want to show you guys a few case studies. I still every now and then, talk to, I think it's, people are realizing the internet's not going away, like I mentioned earlier, but I still every now and then have conversations where, I don't need a website. Like, Bob, I've known for years, send me work. And, I mean, that's fine, right? And I recommend getting jobs from Bob, but I mean, to really ramp up, you're not going to get to the 7-figure business and beyond usually without doing some sort of marketing, right? Like that's just the way it goes to really ramp up, and even get into the 10 million plus range. I mean, you got to be multiple angles from a marketing standpoint. So just a few. I mean, I showed you guys this earlier. I mean, here's a client in the 3-pack and the organic. So I mean, it's just I mean, he's the only one holding down 2 spots here versus everybody else. I mean, who do you think the prospect's going to call, right? So here this is from different sources, but 63 leads in a month, and this is from an all-in approach, right? This isn't from one source. Again, multiple sources set up, 73 leads in a month. Here's another one, multiple sources set up, 80 leads in a month. So, again, I can't reiterate enough on this. I mean, all 2020, you need to be thinking about all angles, and you might not be able to get them all rolled out in a week, right? But just think about, have a plan in place when you're going to roll that out and how you're going to dominate your local market. And here, I mentioned this earlier. Here's another example. What happens? He took the all-in approach, hit all different angles, and his business exploded. So again, what do all these companies have in common? They're all in on their online marketing. Whether it be us or somebody else, that doesn't matter. The point is, you're on here live with me or you're watching this recording. Please make sure you're getting into it and you're trying to ramp it up. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online.
You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.